this one. I tried to do it on my laptop, but it didn't seem to be working very well, so I am back on my phone. Welcome. Today, it's Tuesday, obviously. Let's see, I've showered, I have makeup on, I am in clean clothes, and ready to bring to you some, a little project you can make for Mother's Day. Hey, kitty. Okay, so first off, though, I want to give a shout out to Summer. She stopped by this morning and saved me because I forgot to bring my ponytail holder, and I need that for videos, otherwise my hair gets in the way. So thank you, Summer. Okay, so pretty much today what we're going to talk about is reverse canvas. These have been around forever. We've done lots of projects like this in the shop, but I just want to show you a little quick something where you can make something for Mom for Mother's Day. Hey, Dawn. Yes, you do love these. And look, Dawn, look. Still using it. Okay, so for some people that don't know what reverse canvas is, they are amazingly easy and they work and they are beautiful. So let me just show you. Let me put this to the side. I didn't have a blank canvas, so I had to bring my daughter's picture. This will give you kind of an idea of what you need to make a reverse canvas. So my daughter went to one of those paint and sip. Obviously she didn't sip unless it was soda because she's under 21, but this was her project. So this is a reverse canvas. It's just a painting canvas. So what you do is you take an X-Acto knife and you're just going to cut. You're going to cut all the way around, and what happens is once you take it apart, you are left with an awesome looking frame and a piece of canvas. Now, these two together will create an amazing backdrop for whatever you want to make. If you just Google reverse canvas, you will see a million different ideas. Today, though, what I wanted to talk about is maybe this would be a great idea if you have reverse canvas, or if you have canvas laying around your home, or curbside at Joann's, or even with Amazon, though it is taking longer to get these days. Great project to make with the kids. This one here I did this morning. This little stencil right here, let me show you really quick. These are a new product that I'm going to be carrying here at the shop. They are stencils by Amy Howard. They are by a Maker Studio. They are mesh stencils. Now there's several different mesh stencil companies out there. I just chose to use Amy Howard because I know her product and her brand is awesome, and she is awesome. So they come in all different sizes and shapes, and I just happen to choose Thankful, Grateful, and Blessed. These are nice because you pull them off, you lay it on. They have something called ChalkArt. It's really thick paste, and they use a little squeegee, and you just squeegee down, pull it off, and there is no drip or bleed through because it is a mesh stencil. These are really easy to use, and like I said, there's several companies that sell them. They're new here at the shop. I love. This is my favorite one so far. The bumblebee with the big wreath. Okay, so those mesh stencils from a Maker Studio, which are new to the shop here, is how I made this one. All right, so let me show you how we took this part of the inner of the canvas and turned it into this color. Dixie Belle has two different gel stains. Now, they have one that is called the VooDoo gel stain, which is a water-based gel stain, easy to use, easy cleanup, no odor, dries in 15 minutes. Comes in, let me just hold these up, an array of different colors. All these different colors. Okay. Now, I'm going to put on gloves just because the stains are harder to get off of your fingers than like paint. Okay. Yes, you do, Dawn. This stuff is awesome. Okay. Now, like all those colors that come in, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit of the brown. It's actually called Tobacco Road. And I could either put it in a little dish, but I'm just gonna go ahead and, because it has a nice squeeze tip, I'm just gonna squeeze it on. Doo-doo-doo. This stuff is really easy to work with. A little cloth, and I'm just going to rub it in. Now, whoops, these little canvas inserts, the wood, they're unfinished. So they're basically naked wood. So this VooDoo gel stain by Dixie Belle really sinks in and the wood really grabs it. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure I get the outside edges, the inside edges. For time's sake, it won't be perfect. However, I want to give you just a quick show of how fast that is. See, look, now that's the Tobacco Road. You can use any of the colors and it works just as good. Super easy, will dry in 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna put that aside. And remember, that one I used those Maker Studio mesh stencils, very easy to use with the ChalkArt and a little squeegee. Okay. Moving on. Now, this one I wanted to show you. I use the Dixie Belle No Pain Gel Stain. Now, this one is oil-based. It takes a little bit longer to dry. It'll dry in 24 hours and 21 to 30 days to cure. This one will sink deeper. It's a deeper color. It's not as translucent as the VooDoo. This one is, I use it a lot on like dining room tables that come in that light oak, really, not so fun color, and or pine, and then I put this over it, and it just makes a beautiful coating on the top. Let me show you what I did with this one. Okay. Mess right here. This is the black. Look how pretty that color is. And this is the No Pain Gel Stain by Dixie Belle, the black. Hey, Margarita. Okay, so these colors are not quite as fun as some of the VooDoo, because the VooDoo has some of that, the denim blue and some teal, but these are the colors. Oops. The pickled white, or the gray is very popular these days. So this is the No Pain Gel Stain. So what I did was I simply just this is just one coat. If I didn't think it was dark enough, I can go ahead and put another coat on. This is a cute little project you can make with your children for Mother's Day. Dads out there. I'm going to take these off now because I'm done with the gel stain. Okay, so if you have a Cricut, these things are so easy to cut out. This one says, Best Mom Hands Down 2020. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to take some paint and put my handprint on here. And then you can take a Sharpie and simply have your child sign it. So I'm going to do that real quick just to show you how easy it is. These will make a great project for Mother's Day, even Father's Day that's coming up, because I imagine there's more moms than dads watching this video. Okay, here we go. Any color paint, and I'm just going to simply paint my hand. Now, I have large hands, so it doesn't really fit on here as well as a child's hand, but I'm going to stick my hand on there. I hope I put enough paint. We'll see. Ta-da! Okay. Look, Best Mommy Hands Down 2020. Then, if this was my child, I'd have them take a Sharpie and write their name or in a little message. Okay, now to show you how easy it is to put these two together, let me just grab a cloth real quick because my hand has stuff on it. Okay, I should have used my other hand. I got paint all over my rings now. Okay. For those of you who know me, know that I'm not the neatest painter. I'm always with paint on me at some point. Okay, so here's reverse canvas. Here's the frame that comes in it. All you simply need is either a glue gun or a staple gun. I highly recommend this. If you do a lot of stapling, this is $29 at Home Depot. Way, 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 way worth it. because, let me show you this. What you do is put your frame upside down, put your canvas on it, make sure it lines up okay, all right? And staple. Or you can hot glue. Hi, Denise. Okay, I'm only gonna put 4 staples in just to place hold. Ta-da! How cute is that for a mom for Mother's Day? Okay, now you can also have a little bit of fun. And let me grab my glue gun. You can embellish it if you want. Why not, right? So you can either put a cute little, you know, rosette on there, or like these little would you bends. You know, these are my favorite. Whole bunch of these are coming to the store. So how cute would that look on there? But I'm gonna go ahead, I love this green because it looks great with that hot pink. I'm gonna glue it. And there you have it. You have a cute little Mother's Day present. Super easy. Okay, so just to recap real quick, these projects here are simply just from one of these canvases that you use to paint a picture on. Looking at the back side, you can see the built-in, the frame, and then the canvas piece stretched over it. You just simply take an X-Acto knife, cut it off. If you're really particular, you can actually pop out all the staples, and then you can turn it into cute home decor or a lovely little Mother's Day gift. And like I said, these come in all different sizes. You can, big one, little ones, whatever you want to make. Okay, real quick, I just want to thank you all for tuning in. And May 1st is coming. However, I'm not sure exactly if we will be open. I am waiting for the governor to give us the okay. I'm a rule follower, so I need to hear that we're allowed to open for business. We are ready for you though. We are excited. We will take every precaution necessary to keep everybody safe. As soon as I know, oh, hey, Katie, thank you. As soon as I know anything, I will pass it on to you all. For those of you that are jonesing for some shopping vintage, we have an inventory page that you can join our group. It's called Pick and Boots Fort Myers Vintage Inventory. Pick and Boots Vintage Fort Myers Inventory. Click join. You can join our group. You can shop from our albums. We have about 5 pickups today at 11 o'clock. We send you an invoice. You come out to the front of the store. We curbside deliver it for you. So other than that, stay safe. And hopefully the governor will be coming on in the next couple days to let us know what we are allowed to do. All right. Take care. All right. I apologize. I have to get close to the camera. All right. Oh, that wasn't.